Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm pouring crystal clear epoxy resin on my cornhole boards. And so I just wanted to show the products and materials that I'm going to use, the process I'm going to follow. This should be a blast. Let's get started. Alright, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll notice it's a lot of fine art, acrylic paintings, tutorials, time lapses. Today's project is a little bit different. Recently, my family and I did a paint pour on our two cornhole boards, and we were just ecstatic how they turned out. Afterwards, we wondered, what we could use as like a final layer or a coat to protect the acrylic paint. A friend suggested, why not just put down a crystal clear epoxy resin coat and layer, and so that is what we're doing today. For products and materials, I have most of them displayed right here. First and foremost, I wanted to protect my garage floor, so I do have some cardboard boxes down, but I think it's a great idea to have some type of plastic or vinyl sheet that you can lay down to prevent and protect from any unwanted resin drips. I want to make sure my surfaces are clean before I pour, so you could use some type of cloth, but today I'm just going to use some paper towels and just go through, wipe it down, and make sure that any dust or dirt is removed. Resin is very sticky, so baby wipes, I don't plan to get any on my skin, but just in case, I have some baby wipes to clean off my hands. Each of my cornhole boards has two legs, and so I just use some basic tape to tape them up, keep them out of the way. And then also I'm gonna go ahead and cover the middle hole just to prevent from any dripping. And of course, our resin, we have our A and our B. Today I'm using the brand Less Resin. I think it's a great product for beginners. Here we have just a simple mixing container. I really like these because it has the ounces right on the side. Once again, resin is very sticky, so make sure to wear some type of glove and just keep that material off your skin. For the mixture, I have a mixer and a drill, simple paint sticks, and one of these little torches. I'm also using some buckets to prop up the board just to keep it elevated off of the table. Okay, so let's get started with mixing. I've been letting the mixture sit for about 5 minutes, so let's start pouring. Alright guys, we just finished putting down our first layer of epoxy resin, and I'm already super excited how it's turning out. We already have that crystal clear, kind of glassy finish, which is what I wanted, so I'm super excited about that. And this is another reason why I have my studio lights shining on there, just so that I can come back and see any bubbles. The good news is I don't see a lot. I do see a little bit here and there. They're very small. But that is one reason that I'm going to use this blowtorch to just come in, and it really helps get rid of some of those bubbles and really helps it provide just that nice finished look. All right, you guys, and there we have it. Our cornhole boards are poured with crystal clear epoxy resin. I think they turned out great. I mean, they just look like glass. They look fantastic. Excited to play with them in a couple weeks once they completely cure. But I appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know this is a little bit different than some of the other projects that I have on here, but I appreciate you guys following along. And I hope everyone has a great day. See you next time. Take care.